Have you ever wanted to read someone's mind? I knew you'd say that. Welcome to Impossible Science. Hey everyone, it's Jason Latimer, the world champion of magic, coming to you with another Impossible Science, where we take impossible topics and we bring them to life through science. Now, today I want to discuss the difference between science and magic. A lot of people think they're just polar opposites, but I'd like to explain they're one and the same. There's just a difference in understanding between one and the other. What it means is magic is everything we don't understand. And to prove it, I'm going to demonstrate an illusion where I can read your mind through the screen. These are 4 of my favorite topics from my Instagram page: invisibility, levitation, walking on water, or bending light. Hopefully you like one of these 4. In fact, I want you to put your finger on your favorite square. Okay. In this experiment, you can move your finger left or right, up or down. You just can't move to a diagonal square, because I'm going to ask you to move a few times, and you need to move your finger to different squares for every turn. So let's say move 3 times. You could go down, you could go to the side, you could go back, or you could just head in a straight line. The choices are up to you, but you just can't move diagonal, and you can't skip squares. Okay? Now keep your finger on your favorite one, and I'm about to spread them out. So we have shaping water, we have telekinesis, we have mind control, we have animation, and we have transformation. Now, I want you to keep your finger right where it is. In a matter of moments, I'm going to ask you to make some moves. You can go left, right, up or down, just not diagonal. So move 4 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you're not on animation, so let's just get rid of animation. Here, I want you to move your finger 3 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. That's a bummer. I really like walking on water, but I don't think you're on that one. And I also don't think you're on bending light, so let's get rid of that one. Now I want you to move 3 more times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. I think you're moving towards the center to try to confuse me. All right, let's just get rid of the corners. I'll just get rid of shaping water, telekinesis, and transformation. Now, I want you to move 1 more time. Got it? I'm imagining mind control. Did I get it right? If you just saw magic because you just saw something take place that you didn't know was possible, that's okay. That's because the difference between magic and science is a difference in understanding. All you have to do is ask questions to figure it out. And to ask questions in a logical fashion, that progression of logical questions is what we call science. So remember, until next week, stay curious, because the right question changes everything.